So let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and communicate with my teacher. So in that case, I can go around and access out my classroom right here, just like this. And then what I can do is I can go around over here onto the people section. Once I do that, I can go around and see my teacher right here. So if I were to go around onto my other classroom, then I can go around onto the people right here and I can see both of my teachers right here. So in some cases I got two teachers, while in some cases I got more than one teacher or only one teacher. But anyways, you can see the teacher right here, and in order to get in touch with them, you can simply go around and email them out right here. So once you click on, let's say for example, email button right here, then it opens up Gmail in new tab, as you can see right here, and it creates an email right here. It composes an email, as you can see. You can also go around and click on this email right here of the other teacher, and what happens is that the email for other teacher is here. You can just go around and copy out the email and paste it out right here in order to address them both and then send email to that as well. And that is how you can communicate out with your teacher by using email, by accessing their email addresses in Google Classroom as a student. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.